boarding the train to get back to Williams. We say goodbye to the Grand Canyon. Goodbye to the Grand Canyon. Okay, Mama.
Coaches are that way. One past the cafe starts with A, about 5 hours. Coconino.
4. For these 4.
Just be want to step over here, let the rest of her drive. Section, there's 2 downstairs sections all to the left.
There goes my mother. I'm filming us getting into a train.
Documenting the whole thing.
Yes, we are. Me. There's Jonathan's butt. Oh my God. And here we are entering the train. Entering the train. Okay. Oh, it's nice.
A and B. Here, sit for here for a second. I want to try to find. Sit down. Just sit down. I need you to move out of the aisle. Move out of the aisle.
Out of the way.
Okay. I think I'm this way.